Welcome to the Nutty Real Estate Professor. My name is Rick Suarez, and I created this site to empower students in their journey towards obtaining their real estate license. Whether it's the sales license or the broker's license, my comprehensive tutoring will help you excel in your studies. Don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to this site. Together, we will make your real estate dreams a reality. Let's get started. All right, so today's class is going to be about transfer taxes. And of course, there are several math concepts you need to learn. First one is going to be 70 documentary stamps on the deed. This is based on the sales price and is 0.70 divided by 100. The documentary stamps on the note is 35 cents divided by 100. That is for new and assumed loans only. And then the intangible tax on the mortgages is 0.002 based on new loans only. So let's look at a quick example. Let's say we're looking at a sales price of $400,000. We're going to divide that by 100. That's going to give us $4,000. And then we're going to multiply that times 70 cents. That's going to give us $2,800. The next one, let's say the loan is $300,000. Divide by 100 equals 3,000. And we're going to multiply that times 35 cents. So I don't know what that comes out to. $1,050. And then the loan, because it's a brand new loan, 300,000 times 0.002 for the intangible is $600. These are buyer's expense. This is a seller expense, right? Buyer's getting a brand new loan, so he pays the note and he pays the intangible. See right here, new and then new again. So he pays two taxes. And then the seller pays the $2,800 for the transfer tax for the deed, right? Now, all this can be negotiated, but usually it's not in a contract. I'm going to show you a problem here. Let me erase this. And here on this one, it says the documentary stamps on the deed is $3,500 and the stamp tax on the promissory note is $1,575. What is the loan to value in this transaction? So they're giving us the answer, right? So we don't know the sales price, right? So it's the sales price divided by 100 equals, we don't know, times 0.70 cents equals 35. So what happens if we work it backwards? It's supposed to be 3,500. We still have divide, but we divide by 70 cents. So 3,500 divided by 0.70 cents is 5,000 times 100 equals 500,000. Then the other one, same thing. You have 1,575 here, 1,575. And this is the loan divided by 100 equals the question mark times 0.35 cents is 1,575. So we have to work it backwards. So 1,575 divided by 0.70. So let's see, 1,575 divided by 0.70. That is 2250. No, that's wrong. Is 1,575 divided by 35. That's what it is. 1,575 divided by 35 equals 4,500 times 100 is 450,000. That's what it is. I made an error here. As you can see, I'm an instructor and errors happen. I'm not gonna edit it out. I'm going to show you that errors happen all the time. So now you have 450,000 divided by 500,000, and you're going to get 90%, and that is your loan to value. Now, this is a tricky problem, but I'm going to show you a shortcut to this math problem. And all you need to do is you're going to get the lower number, which is always going to be the note, the promissory note. You're going to get 1,575, and you're going to multiply times 2. That's going to give you 3,150, and then you're going to divide that by 3,500. 100, and that's going to give you your 90%. Easiest way to solve this math problem. I don't know exactly how it works. I just know it's a trick. It's taught to me many years ago, and I teach all the students. Instead of going through all this, I show you the shortcut, which it's really the best way. At least there's one math problem you don't have to worry about. Hopefully you get that math problem. Hopefully you understood exactly what I said, and that is it's the best way to solve that problem. Let's look at another one. Oh, here it is, nice and clean, right? Showing it to you nice and clean. This is the long way, 3,500 divided by 70 cents is 5,000 times 100 is 500,000. Here's the other one, the loan, 1,575 divided by 0.35 equals 4,500 times 100 is 450,000. 450,000 divided by 500,000 is 90%. And then I wrote the trick here. 1,575 times 2 is 3,150 divided by 35 equals 0.9, but you turn it into a decimal and it comes out to 90%. All right, let me show you another math problem. All right, so this one, it says here, if the property sold for 510,010, anytime you see anything here, you know you're going to have some cents here you're going to have to deal with. And the buyer assumed the balance of the seller's loan for 350,000 and receive a purchase money mortgage in the amount of 50,000. Now, what is a purchase money mortgage? Well, a purchase money mortgage is nothing more than seller financing. That's it. Which makes it what? A new loan. It could only be a new loan, right? But look, from the seller, okay, what are the total state documentary stamps taxes on the deed? So this is how we do this. We get 510,010. We need to divide that by 100. And that's going to be 5100 with 10 cents, but we cannot have 10 cents here. We must do what? Round up. So we round up is 5101, and that's it. So you move this guy over here, 5101 times 0.70. So 5101 times 0.70 is going to be 3,570 with 70 cents. And that's it. That's your math problem. You didn't have to worry about the assumption. You didn't have to worry about the new loan because they're asking for the documentary stamps on the deed, which is only this right here. Let me show it to you clean so you can see it better. There it is there. You have 510,010 divided by 100 equals 5,100 with 10 cents. We can't have this. Must be round up to the next dollar, which is right here, 5101 times 70 cents. You have 3,570 with 70 cents. Perfect. That's how you do that math problem. All right, so this math problem is a little bit long, but it's a great exercise. It says, what are the total transfer taxes paid if the selling price is 380,210 and the subject to mortgage is 300,000? The assumed mortgage is 40,260 and the purchase money mortgage is 20,520. So let's go with the first one. We have 380,210 and we're going to divide that by 100. So 380,210 divided by 100, that's going to be 3802 with 10 cents. We can't have this guy, we must round up. So that's 3803 and times 70 cents. So 3803 times 70 cents. This is going to be 2,662 with 10 cents. This one we don't need to worry about because it's subject to mortgage, and subject to mortgage just doesn't pay. The buyer is not liable, so there's nothing transferring, so he doesn't pay anything. The assumed mortgage is 40,260. So let's look at that. It's 40,260. We're going to divide that by 100. So 40,260 divided by 100. And this is going to be 40260. Again, we cannot have pennies. Going to round up to 403 times 0.35 cents. So 403 times 0.35. That's going to give you 141.05. It's okay to have pennies on this side. You cannot have pennies here. So that took care of that one. This is an assumable. You only pay the note. But here on the purchase money mortgage, this is a new loan. So a new loan pays what? Pays the assumable and the intangible. So let's do the assumable first. So this is 2520 divided by 100. So 2520 divided by 100, that's going to be 205 with 20 cents. Again, cannot have this, must go to 206. So 206 times 0.35. 206 times 0.35 is, let me do that again. Comes out to $72.10. And then the only one I'm missing, I can't fit it, so I'm just going to put it here. It's 205.20 times 0.002. And that's going to give you 4104. So I'll just stick 4104 here. And then when you add them all, you're going to end up with 2,922 with 66 cents. It's a great exercise. I don't know if you'll see this in the state test. You could, but just be prepared for it. Just be prepared to know every single one. Now let me show it to you clean so you can see it better. There it is right there. Here is the sales price divided by 100 is 3802.10. Round up, of course, because you cannot have pennies. It's 3803 times 70 cents is 2661.47. Then you have the 520 divided by 100, 205.20. Cannot have that. Has to round up, so it's 206, right? Times 35 cents. Then you have 72.10. And then obviously this is a new loan, right? New loan pays the note and the intangible. So it pays both. So 2520 times 0.002, 4104. Here, the last one is an assumable, so it only pays the note, right? 4260 divided by 100 equals 422.60. You round that up to 423 times 35 cents is 148.05. You grab them all, you add them all, and you end up with 2922.66. Thank you for watching my videos. To access additional information and resources, kindly click the link provided below in the description. I offer study guides to help you pass the state test. In addition, I wrote a book and I created a course that shows you the very basics of this business and how to get started. Both being offered at half price with a coupon code for a limited time. Good luck and may you achieve great things in your real estate career. Until next time, thank you very much.